Okay, turn it around and go down. I'm going to film you guys. If I can keep the camera out of the snow.
Yeah?
Hold on.
Hang on, I'm recording.
Oh.
I'm almost out of battery, so do you want to go down real quick? Ooh, it's cold. No, are you going to get on behind them? Don't fall. Hold on to him. There you go. There you go. Nice. Whee! Yay! Is that fun? You go ride back up? He's in the sleep position. It's quite cold. Are you cold, E?
No. My tennis.
You tired? Yay, Kieran, can you say hi to the camera? Hi. You gonna walk up? That's probably easier for E. Okay, say bye-bye. Turning it off. Bye-bye, camera.